Welcome to day 20 of Strength 30 Days of Tai Chi. Today is the art of slowing down. So, in our fast paced world, balancing activity with restoration is very important for mental and physical well being. And so, this session is dedicated to embracing slowness through the mindful movements of Tai Chi. So, find a place where you can do some mindful movement. So as always, don't worry about getting the movements perfect. Just follow along the best you can. I'll be your mirror image. You can have a seat at any time. We'll begin with the feet together or as close as you can. The hands can come to the lower abdomen, just taking a few deep breaths in and out. As you breathe in, the belly expands. As you breathe out, the belly returns toward the spine. Just breathing in and breathing out. Just noticing the breath. Watching it slow down. Just letting go of all the worries, all the concerns from today. Just coming into the here and now. And then on the next inhale, you can hold the breath at the top just for a moment. Then let it out with a big sigh. Just letting out tension and stress. The hands can float down by the sides. As you breathe in, the arms float up. They circle in front as if you're gathering in energy, bringing it towards the heart and then down towards the earth, sinking the chi. Breathing in, breathing out, nice and easy, nice and slow. Feeling the sensations. One more time, sink the chi. And then step one foot out to the side, either foot. The arms float up in front. And the arms float down, the knees and hips soften, opening the door. Breathing in, rising up. Breathing out, letting go. Like you're riding on a wave in the ocean. Flowing up and down. One more time, open the door. And then from here, the arms float out to the sides like you're spreading your wings. The arms float down, the palms face up. They float up the midline of the body, pressing up overhead, and then floating out and down, holding up the sky. Breathing in, rising up. Breathing out, letting go. Opening the shoulders and the chest, decompressing the spine. One more time, holding up the sky. This time the hands float up to the heart. One hand pushes up, the other pushes down, connecting sky and earth. And then switching sides, keeping the spine neutral at first. This time you can do a side bend if you like, easing in, never forcing it. One more time to the other side, connecting sky and earth. Then the bottom hand comes up, push to the corner, the other hand pushes behind. Coming back to center, push to the other corner, the dragon spreads its wings. This time you can turn a little more if you want, pivoting on the feet, letting the back heel come up. And then other side, pivoting on the feet. And then from here, the back hand swings around as if it's gliding on the surface of the water. The other hand comes around as the dragon swings its tail. You're gliding on the surface of the water, sending out little ripples into the distance. One more time. This time the hands come together in prayer position in front of the heart. Step one foot out a little bit wider and then softening down. And then as you rise up, the fingertips point out to the side as you look to the side. And then coming back down to center, fingertips go up to the other direction. The dragon looks side to side. Coming back down to center, rising up. One more time. And then from here, the hands turn onto their sides and drift across the eye level, and then across the heart, and then across the lower abdomen, the swimming dragon. The hands float back up for another round, drifting across the eye level, and then the heart, and then a little lower. And then release, round out as if you're hugging the tree, Step one foot in a little bit closer. From here, both arms drift over to the side and down. This time the arms float up to shoulder height. And then switching sides. And then this time, this hand here scoops down and then comes right out in front to eye level and then down. And then once again, same side, just the arms at first, taking your time. The hand comes out in front, the other one by the hip and down. All right, this time you can lift your leg if you like, touching down as needed. That still counts. The rooster stands on one leg. Touching down or lifting up, meeting yourself where you're at. All right, one more time. On this side, the rooster stands on one leg. And then from here, the arms drift over to the other side, floating up to shoulder height, taking your time, nice and slow. Then this hand scoops down and comes right out in front to eye level, the other hand by the hip, and down. Once again, just the arms at first. The hand comes out in front, the other one by the hip. Breathing. This time you can lift your leg if you like, touching down as needed. The elbow over the thigh. And it's okay to wobble, just letting go of judgment the best you can. One more time, the rooster stands on one leg. And then circle the arms in front, hugging the tree. Step one foot out a little bit wider. And then from here, both arms drift over to the side and down. And then floating up to shoulder height. This time, one hand makes an arrow, the other draws the bow, and then softening down. Rising back up, release the bow, other side. The other hand makes an arrow, draw the bow, soften down. Rising back up. This time you can do it all together. Draw the bow as you soften down. One more time on the other side, the archer. And then release, circle around, hugging the tree. Step one foot in a little bit closer. And then from here, the arms open up wide. This hand here scoops under as you step in, catch the moon, and then step out to the side. As you step out, the bottom arm comes up until it's parallel with the earth. The other hand comes down, circle it around again, warding off, expanding and lifting. All right, one more time, ward off. This time the bottom hand comes under, fingertips slide down, circle it around again, rolling back. Receiving the energy, can we receive as gracefully as we give it? One more time, roll back. This time, toss it away. The arms float out to the side. The hand folds in, pressing palm to palm. Shift the weight forward. Slide down, toss away. Fold it in, press forward. One more time, the press, nice and soft, nice and slow. And then from here, the hands separate, draw them in towards the heart, and then push back out, pushing the mountain. Breathing in, breathing out, just like the ocean. The tide rolls in, the tide rolls out. Then sit back and open, wipe across the horizon, take your time. As you step in, catch the moon, step out to the other side, bottom arm comes up until it's parallel with the earth, other hand comes down. Circle it around again, ward off. Moving mindfully. How mindful can you be? One more time, ward off. Bottom hand comes under, fingertips slide down, circle it around again. Rolling back. Yielding, going with the flow. One more time. This time, toss it away. The arms float out to the side. The hand folds in, pressing palm to palm. Shift the weight forward. Slide down, toss away, fold it in, Press forward. One more time, the press. This time the hands spread apart. Draw them in towards the heart and then push back out. Pushing the mountain. Breathing in and breathing out one more time. Nice and slow, no rush, nowhere to go. And then sit back open, wipe across. We'll do each movement one time, grasping the bird's tail. Step in as you catch the moon, step out, ward off. Roll back, toss away, press, release, draw in, and push. Sit back, open, wipe across, other side, grasping the bird's tail. Step in, catch the moon, step out and ward off. Roll back, toss away, press, release, draw in, and push. Sit back, this time hug the tree, bring it to center. Step one foot out a little bit wider. And then from here, the palms face up towards the sky as we gather the seeds. And then we'll plant the seeds into the earth, softening down as the hands come down the center and out to the sides. Coming back up the center to gather some more seeds and then planting them into the earth. Just coming down as much as you can comfortably. Just letting go of striving. Just being here is enough. Breathing in and breathing out. Taking as many breaths as you need. One more time, planting seeds. And then this time, circle all the way around, hugging the tree. Step one foot in a little bit closer. And then from here, this hand drops down, toss away. The other hand circles on top as you step in. Both hands together. This hand pushes down, the other hand waves in as you soften down. Rising back up. Softening down. Breathing in. Breathing out. This time you can step out to the corner, and as you step out, the bottom hand brushes past the knee, top hand pushes to the corner, the top hand circles down, bottom hand circles up. Coming back to the beginning, brush knee and push. Just like a dance that you don't have to get perfect. Just keep on moving. Continuous flow. The secret of Tai Chi. One more time, brush knee and push. This time, the top hand comes down, making a fist in towards the hip. The other hand comes up and over, press down, brush knee, punch low. Draw the fist back in towards the hip. The bottom hand comes up and over, brush knee and punch low with the loose fist. All right, bring it back in, reversing direction. One more time, punching low. And then step back in, hugging the tree. And then from here, this hand drops down, toss away. Other hand circles on top as you step in. Both hands together, pushing down and waving in as you soften, rising up, letting go. Breathing in, breathing out. This time, step out to the other corner. And as you step out, the bottom hand brushes past the knee. Top hand pushes to the corner. Top hand floats down, bottom hand circles up. Coming back to the beginning, brush knee and push. Just tuning into the body, really going for the ride. All right, one more time, brush knee and push. This time, the top hand makes a loose fist. Draw the fist in towards the hip. The other hand comes up and over, presses down, brush knee, punch low. Reverse direction, draw the fist in towards the hip. The hand comes up and over, brush knee, punching low. All right, one more time. Breathing in, breathe out. Step back in, hugging the tree. From here, the arms open up wide, the hands float down by the sides, stepping one foot in, coming on the ball of the foot. The arms float out to the sides like a beautiful bird, the crane. This time you can lift your leg if you like. Breathing in, breathing out, touching down as needed. The arms can float up and over. And then stepping down, other side, the crane. Just the arms at first. Breathing in, breathing out. This time you can lift your leg if you like, touching down as needed. Then the arms can float up and over. Stepping down, stepping in. This time you can lift the leg right up if you want. As the arms go up and down, you can hold the leg up, touching down as needed. Breathing in, breathing out. Once again, it's okay to wobble. And then the arms float up and over, stepping down. Other side, one more round, the crane. And you can lift the leg right up if you want. And you can hold it up as the arms go up and down, or you can touch down at any time. This time the arms float up and over, stepping down. This time the palms face up, one hand on top of the other. This hand floats all the way up and over, down the center line of the body. Other side, breathe in as the hand floats up. Breathing out, centering. Calming the heart, calming the mind, slowing down. One more time, centering. This time both hands float all the way up and over just as much as you can. The hands float down to the waist as you soften down. Circle in front as if you had the big ball in front of the body, coming around and under. Back up to the heart and down. One more time, opening the heart, rising up, softening down. This time making a diamond shape with the hands in front of the heart. Press out, sending out all your loving kindness to the world. May all beings be free from suffering. May they be happy. May they be healthy. May they live with ease. And then turning your palms to face yourself, the hands come to the heart. May I be kind to myself. May I feel connected with all beings. May I love myself just as I am. And the hands can float down to the lower abdomen. You can step your feet together or as close as you can. You can close your eyes or just keep a soft gaze, letting your body rock and sway ever so slightly. Bamboo in the wind. Just feeling the sensations in the body. Feeling the sensations of the breath. And then bring your attention into your heart, creating an inner smile, expressing gratitude to yourself for being here today. And if your eyes are closed, you can slowly open them. The hands can come together in front of the heart, and we can finish with a bow. Thank you so much for joining me for this Tai Chi Flow. Please stick around for a few more moments for your poem of the day. Today's poem is called The Quiet Pace. In Tai Chi Flow, the mind slows down. In gentle movements, peace is found. With gentle grace, the heart can see. Slowing down can set us free. Thank you so much for joining me today. Remember to please click this link here to watch your strength training video of the day, and I'll see you over there.